What do we see? A big yellow tractor, happy as can be, rolling through the dirt, making it clean, working so hard, it's a powerful machine. Tractor and excavator, working all day, helping on the farm in every way. Tractor and excavator, hear them roar, digging and plowing, and so much more. Over by the hill, an excavator stands with a big strong arm and a bucket in his hands, digging up the earth, making a big hole. He's the best at his job, that is gold. Tractor and excavator, working all day, helping on the farm in every way. Tractor and excavator, hear them roar, digging and plowing, and so much more. Together they work, side by side, in the sunny field, so big and wide, helping the farmer with all their might, making the farm day sunny and bright. Tractor and excavator, working all day, helping on the farm in every way. Tractor and excavator, hear them roar, digging and plowing, and so much more. So when you see a tractor or an excavator too, know they're working hard just for you. In the fields and farms they play their part, engine strong and a great big heart.